What's up everybody, it's Mark, and we're back again with another TV review. Today we're diving deep into the Samsung 50-inch class DU8000 series Crystal UHD Smart Tizen TV. This 2024 model, specifically the UN50 DU8000FXZA with SKU 6575361, has been making waves in the tech world, and for good reason. Boasting a solid 4.7 out of 5-star rating with a whopping 171 reviews, this TV promises an immersive viewing experience without breaking the bank. At just $399.99, it's a contender for those seeking a balance between price and performance. Over the next few minutes, we'll break down everything this TV has to offer, from its stunning Crystal UHD display to its smart features and connectivity options. We'll explore the pros, the cons, and everything in between so you can decide if this is the right TV for your setup. So, stick around, and let's get into it. Alright, let's kick things off with the star of the show, the picture quality. When it comes to visual performance, this TV is a true standout, and let me tell you, this TV does not disappoint. From the moment you turn it on, you're greeted with a burst of colors that are both vivid and lifelike. The Samsung DU8000 boasts Crystal UHD technology, which, in a nutshell, means you're getting incredibly vibrant and lifelike colors. This technology enhances the color accuracy and ensures that every hue is represented as it should be. We're talking about a level of detail and clarity that's seriously impressive, especially in this price range. The images are so sharp and clear that you can see every little detail, making your viewing experience truly immersive. Whether you're watching your favorite movies, binging the latest shows, or even just catching the game, the DU8000 delivers an immersive experience that's hard to beat. The colors pop, the details are crisp, and the overall picture quality is just outstanding. The 4K resolution ensures crisp, sharp images, and the HDR support further enhances the contrast, bringing out those deep blacks and bright whites. This combination of 4K and HDR means that you're getting the best of both worlds: incredible detail and stunning contrast. Trust me, once you go 4K HDR, it's hard to go back. The difference is night and day, and you'll find yourself noticing details you never saw before. But it's not just about the resolution and HDR. Samsung's Crystal processor 4K plays a crucial role in upscaling lower resolution content. This means that, even if you're watching something that's not in native 4K, the TV does an excellent job of making it look its best. So even if you're watching something that's not native 4K, this TV does an excellent job of making it look its best. The upscaling technology works behind the scenes to enhance the picture quality, making everything you watch look sharper and more detailed. And let's not forget about those smart features. The DU8000 is not just a pretty face. It's also packed with smart functionalities that make your viewing experience even better. The DU8000 comes equipped with Samsung's Tizen operating system, which is known for its user-friendly interface and smooth performance. Navigating through menus, switching between apps, and finding content is a breeze. Navigating through menus, switching between apps, and finding content is a breeze. The interface is intuitive and responsive, making it easy to get to what you want to watch without any hassle. Plus, you've got all the popular streaming services like Netflix, Amazon Prime Video, Disney+, and more, right at your fingertips. This means you have access to a vast library of content, all in one place. It's all about convenience and a seamless viewing experience. The DU8000 makes it easy to switch between different streaming services and find exactly what you're in the mood for. And from what I've seen, the DU8000 absolutely delivers on that front. It's a TV that combines stunning picture quality with smart features, making it a great choice for anyone looking to upgrade their home entertainment setup. Now, no tech review would be complete without addressing the elephant in the room: those pesky viewing angles. It's a topic that often gets overlooked but can significantly impact your viewing experience, especially in a shared living space. And I have to say, this is one area where the DU8000 falls a little short. When you start moving away from the center, the picture quality does take a hit. While the picture quality is fantastic when you're sitting directly in front of the TV, the colors and contrast tend to wash out as you move to the sides. This is particularly noticeable in brightly lit rooms or during daytime viewing. This is something to keep in mind, especially if you frequently have people watching from different angles in your living room. Imagine hosting a movie night or a big game day. You want everyone to have the best seat in the house. It's not a deal breaker by any means, but it's worth noting. If you're someone who values picture quality from every angle, this might be a slight inconvenience. If you've got a large living room with seating spread out, you might want to consider a TV with wider viewing angles. This ensures that everyone, no matter where they're sitting, gets a great view. However, for smaller spaces or if you primarily watch TV from straight on, the DU8000's viewing angles shouldn't be a major concern. In such scenarios, the TV's strengths will shine through without any noticeable drawbacks. It's all about finding the right balance for your specific needs and viewing habits. Consider how you and your family typically watch TV and make your choice accordingly. And for many, the DU8000's impressive picture quality and smart features will far outweigh this limitation. The vibrant colors, deep blacks, and intuitive interface make it a strong contender in its price range. But hey, I'm all about transparency, and I want you to have all the information before making a decision. After all, an informed choice is always the best choice. Okay, let's dive a bit deeper into this whole Crystal UHD thing. What is it, and what does it mean for your viewing experience? Essentially, Crystal UHD is Samsung's way of taking LED technology to the next level. It involves a layer of nanocrystals that are engineered to absorb and emit light at very specific wavelengths. What this translates to is a wider color gamut, meaning the TV can produce a broader range of colors, resulting in more realistic and vibrant images. Think of it like this. Imagine your TV screen is like a painter's palette. With Crystal UHD, you're essentially giving that painter a much wider array of colors to work with, allowing them to create a more detailed and lifelike masterpiece. And it's not just about the number of colors. Crystal UHD also enhances the purity and accuracy of those colors. So, you're not just getting more colors, you're getting better colors. This technology, combined with the 4K resolution and HDR support, creates a visual experience that's truly immersive. Now let's talk about the brains behind this operation, the Tizen operating system. This powerful platform is the backbone of Samsung's smart TV experience, ensuring everything runs smoothly and efficiently. If you're familiar with Samsung TVs, you know they've been using Tizen for a while now, and for good reason. It's a robust and reliable system that has evolved over the years to meet the growing demands of modern entertainment. It's incredibly user-friendly and intuitive. The design is sleek and modern, making it easy for anyone to pick up the remote and start exploring. The interface is clean, responsive, and easy to navigate, even for those who aren't tech-savvy. You won't find yourself lost in a maze of menus. Everything is right where you expect it to be. You can effortlessly switch between live TV, streaming services, gaming consoles, and other connected devices without breaking a sweat. The seamless transition between different inputs ensures that your entertainment experience is never interrupted. And speaking of streaming, the DU8000 comes preloaded with all the major players: Netflix, Amazon Prime Video, Disney+, Hulu, you name it. This means you have instant access to a vast library of content right at your fingertips. It's all there, ready to go, right out of the box. No need to download or install anything, just sign into your accounts and start watching. But Tizen is more than just a streaming hub. It also gives you access to a ton of other apps and features. From fitness apps to educational content, there's something for everyone. You can browse the web, check the weather, and stay updated with the latest news, all from the comfort of your couch. Control your smart home devices, such as lights, thermostats, and security cameras, directly from your TV screen, and even mirror your smartphone or laptop screen to the TV. This feature is perfect for sharing photos, videos, or even presentations with family and friends. It's all about creating a seamless and connected experience, and Tizen does an excellent job of bringing it all together. With Tizen, your TV becomes more than just a screen. It becomes the central hub of your digital life. Alright, let's wrap things up by talking about connectivity. The DU8000 has got you covered with all the essential ports you'll need for your devices. We're talking multiple HDMI ports for your gaming consoles, Blu-ray player, or streaming stick, USB ports for connecting external hard drives or other peripherals, and even an Ethernet port for a stable wired internet connection. And of course, you've got built-in Wi-Fi for wireless connectivity. But it's not just about physical connections. The DU8000 also plays nicely with your smart home ecosystem. It's compatible with both Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant, so you can control your TV with just your voice. Change channels, adjust the volume, search for content, and even control other compatible smart home devices, all without lifting a finger. It's all about making your life easier and more convenient. And the DU8000 definitely delivers on that front. So, there you have it, the Samsung 50-inch class DU8000 series Crystal UHD Smart Tizen TV. It's a solid, all-around performer that offers a lot of bang for your buck. With its stunning Crystal UHD display, user-friendly Tizen operating system, and a solid selection of smart features and connectivity options, it's a great option for anyone looking for an immersive and convenient viewing experience. And at just $399.99, it's hard to beat the value proposition. If you're in the market for a new 50-inch TV, the Samsung DU8000 is definitely worth checking out.